go to the Venus bar for the air and control on the cloud of people in them. You know, like one people running later. So, and little little more little boy wearing a cat. So let's sing my island. So today we learn about this. This is this is the racist for this look what they doing this food and then looking the pastor we say about God the pastor the pastor this about you go home you were so the passport and you were take as a friend and maybe I think matter with you are the passport so today we'll work draw a picture of the passport but I don't draw so bye bye.